questions concern the meaning of ecology and deep ecology. In brief,
well,
the meaning.
The term ecology has two separate meanings. There is the science of ecology, which, like other sciences, is precise, scientific. In the Ecologist, the ecology that we are interested in is essentially political ecology. And this is about how to make human society, the human economy, conform to ecological principles. But this is primarily a political ambition rather than a scientific one.
Okay. And what about deep ecology in particular? The difference between superficial and deep ecology?
Well, I think our view is that we need both. And we need both because we need to bring all of human society with us, ideally. And human society exists at many different levels. So if you think we're only interested in deep ecology, then you get a small number of deep philosophical thinkers, but you leave most people behind. Yeah. And if you look at the website, you will see that we have articles that appeal to people on many different levels, including some levels which are maybe quite shallow green, but which are still important. For example, we have an article, I've just been working on an article about biodynamic sparkling wine. Now, if people buy biodynamic sparkling wine, this is some small improvement in the way in which the world works. But I have to say that mostly we are taking on big, important, serious issues. But people need a break from that. You know, you can overdo big, serious, important issues and people go somewhere else. So we have to offer a mix of different things in our articles and presentation.
Yes. And you are the editor-in-chief of The Ecologist. The Ecologist.
I am not editor-in-chief. My editor-in-chief is Satish Kumar. I am what one might call the operational editor. I have operational control of the Ecologist website.
Okay. The Ecologist was first published in 1917.
Yes.
Since then, the world ecology, or more in general, the ecology, how much progress has done in our society?
Well, I think that the ideas of ecology and political ecology have advanced enormously. These words are now generally understood, and the green movement is larger and more mature than it has ever been before. I think the problem is that all of the things that we are opposed to have also become far greater and far more powerful. You can look back to the 1970s almost as an era of innocence. When, I mean, for sure, there were very deep and serious problems then, but you look at all kinds of things, from the advance of global warming, the progress of deforestation and species extinction, the sheer pace of resource exploitation, and actually it is scary how the pace of all of these processes has simply increased, and the power of the corporations who are doing these things, who are emitting the gases, who are mining fossil fuels and other minerals and so on, the corporate power in the world has hugely advanced, and also corporate power over the political process has hugely advanced as well. I think that society has become much less democratic. And this is a serious challenge for the Green Movement, because the Green Movement is fundamentally a democratic movement. But if the democratic process has been captured by corporations, then that presents a serious challenge to us.